What we do not want is that the variants be the principal virus that is circulating in the community.
With 8 cases of the UK variant confirmed in Quebec, 7 of those in Montreal, 2 cases of the South African variant in Abitibi-Témiscamingue, and 1 other case under investigation, Montreal Public Health say they're intensely screening to try and slow the spread of these variants. 23 cases of COVID-19 in Montreal alone are presumptive UK variants linked to a traveler.
If the variant is associated with a school or kindergarten, a daycare center, or a workplace, we're going to go with massive screening, and we may have to close more rapidly classes or schools.
The territory already dealing with 375 outbreaks, 82 of which are in schools and 56 in daycares.
In the last 2 weeks, we had to close 4 schools because of patterns of transmission that were rapid, and that made us take the decision to close the school for 2 weeks.
Public Health saying Montreal is getting better, but still at a high plateau of new cases at an average of 500 per day.
Our positivity rate is at a plateau at 6.6%, and the 4 territories with the highest positivity rates above 10% are Parc Extension, Saint-Léonard, Côte-des-Neiges, et Saint-Laurent.
Right now, there are 479 patients in hospital, including 89 in intensive care unit. The number of people in intensive care is still high and puts a lot of pressure on our teams.
72,000 people vaccinated in Montreal, including health workers, those in CHSLDs, and already 5,000 in private seniors' homes. Montreal has several mass vaccination sites in the works, including the Palais des Congrès downtown, one in the Décarie Square shopping center, another at this office building at 7101 Park Avenue, and a third at the Bill Durnan Arena on Vazina Street. Public Health says they are waiting for vaccine shipments to begin and ask Montrealers to be patient and cautious.
Even though we have reopened some commerce, some businesses, and some activities, outdoors activities, and I think we need it. So we have to maintain high vigilance, reduce our contacts, maintain distanciation, the 2 meters.
In Montreal, Melina Giubilaro, City News.